Inverter.
Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we discuss about the product W3 indexing for fast visual word generation. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. The bag of visual word representation has been widely used in image retrieval and visual recognition. The most time consuming step is obtained this representation is the visual word generation, that is assigning visual word to the corresponding local features in the high dimensional space. Recently, structures based on multi-branch trees and forests have been adapted to reduce the time cost. However, these approaches cannot be performed well without a large number of backtracking. In this paper, by considering the spatial correlation of local features, we can significantly speed up the time consuming visual word generation process while maintaining accuracy. In particular, visual words associated with certain structures frequently co-occur, hence we can build a co-occurrence table for each visual word for a large-scale dataset by associating each visual words with a probability according to the corresponding co-occurrence table. We can assign the probabilistic weight to each node of the certain index structure, that is KD tree and a K-means tree, in order to redirect the searching path to be close to its global optimum within a small number of backtrackings. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input video is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of several input videos. The input videos is in the form of major two things. First one is the .avi format and the .mp4 format. After getting the input video from the dataset, the input video is converted into the number of frames. The number of frames is nothing but the converting the video into the number of sequence images. After converting the video into the sequence of images, the feature is extracted from the each frames. For the feature extraction, we use the shift feature extraction method for the feature extraction process. After extracting the feature from the frames, the feature matching is done. The feature matching is done using the co-occurrence matching. Co-occurrence matching is nothing but the matching of the feature points using the color. The color coherence is taken from the frames, that is the co-occurrence matching. After the matching, the two input frames are compared and the matching points are plotted as per the feature extracted from the image. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, select the main_GUI.m file and right click in that file, then select the third option, run. Now the initial guide window was opened. In that you can see the several buttons. These are known as the push buttons. Then these two axes is represented as an axis. Then this table is represented as an UI table. Now click the button input video. After clicking the button input video, the dataset folder is available. In this dataset folder, we have to visible the two input video files. Select any one input video file from the dataset folder. After selecting the input file from the dataset, the input video is available in front of you. Now click the button frame conversion. After the clicking the frame conversion button, the input video is once again visible and the frame conversion is undertaken. In the frame conversion, the input video is converted into the number of frames. Then click the button noise filtering. After clicking the button noise filtering, the noise filtering is undertaken for the frames. In noise filtering, we use the Gaussian filter method for the noise filtering. After the filtering process, each filtered frame is shown in the axis 2 with the title filtered frame. Then click the button shift. After clicking the button shift, the shift feature which is extracted from the frame is shown in the table. Then click the button matching. Now the matched frames are shown in front of you in the figure 4. The matching is done according to the feature which is extracted using the shift. By that feature only, the matching points are plotted for the one frame to another frame. These are the different frames taken from the single video. Thank you.